Hello everyone and welcome back to the College Dunia Exam YouTube channel. The CUET UG 2026 examination is just around the corner and one of the most important documents you need is your admit card. So in this video, we'll walk you through everything from the expected release date to downloading it successfully and important day instructions. So let's get started. The National Testing Agency is expected to release the CUET UG 2026 admit card in the first week of May. The examination will be conducted between May 11 and May 31, 2026. Keep checking the official website regularly so you don't miss any important updates. Downloading your CUET UG 2026 admit card is simple. Visit the official CUET website at cuet.nta.nic.in. Click on the CUET UG 2026 admit card link. Enter your application number, date of birth, and security details. Once logged in, your admit card will appear on the screen. Download it and take a clear printout for exam day. After downloading, carefully check all the details mentioned on your admit card. Verify your name, photograph, and signature. Confirm your exam date, shift timing, examination center, and reporting time. Any mismatch should be reported to the NTA immediately. On the day of the exam, carry your printed admit card, a valid photo ID, passport size photograph, and a pen. Avoid bringing prohibited items such as mobile phones, smartwatches, calculators, bags, or food items. Double check everything the night before to ensure a hassle-free entry. If you notice any error on your admit card, such as incorrect personal details, photograph, or exam center, contact the National Testing Agency immediately using the official helpline or email. Resolve all discrepancies well before the examination date to avoid last-minute issues. And best of luck for CUET UG 2026 exam. Thank you.